I start to realize nobody has perfect experiences. School is just not that simple.
Money is a huge issue, but it's not just that. It's currently not exactly having a stable place, for when you do schooling, they always ask for like some type of address.
You're reminded every day you're homeless. Students see me and they think I'm living a great life, because I'm acting like everything's normal. But when I leave, I'm going right back to try to hope I get into a shelter. If I don't get in, then I know I'm sleeping outside.
Safety plays a huge role in where you want to sleep at night, whether it be a bridge over here in Seattle or a bridge out of town. You might be able to get a job in Seattle, but if you don't feel safe sleeping there at night, you're probably going to be late to work the next day because you're going to sleep in the outskirts.
I had to carry my suitcase everywhere, so, I'm asking for a job with a backpack and a suitcase with you. You can't really cover it up.
While I was homeless, I was able to get the job. Being able to hold it was a whole nother thing.
I depend on my phone a lot. It's the way that people contact me. It's the way that I wake up in the morning. It's the way that I schedule my life, really. And if you don't have an outlet to simply just plug up your phone and charge it, then that kind of delays a lot of things in life because I'm not in the same place every single day.
So usually I'm sleeping outside or I'm walking around Seattle, so sometimes I'm looking like crazy because it'd be like 3 o'clock in the morning, then I have to go to school. So I'm falling asleep in school, but I'm trying to stay awake because I know this is a great opportunity.
Trying to deal with being homeless plus keeping a job at the same time was just too difficult to deal with.
I've been homeless for 10 years. Nothing's ever been given. Before I was homeless, nothing was ever given to me. Anything I've ever had, I've worked for.
There's an assumption that youth are homeless because they choose to be, or there's the assumption that, if they really wanted to get a job, they could, and it's not always that easy.